sa pagitan ng liwanag at dilim. Ako si Shadow. Tara, mag-Minecraft tayo. Hey guys, so nandito tayo guys today sa Montreal SMP. So today magbubrew tayo ng pots, then gagawin na natin yung base natin, which is dito sa tree. So kuha mo ako ng sand and craft tayo pickaxe. So alam mo, very late na yung post kasi dapat na-start ko na kagad before pa ako mag-post. So 7 sticks get. Then after ko pala mga ng pots, punta tayo cave, kuha tayo ng pots. So medyo default video bosses ko. I'm sick as in since medyo na ako ng sikod. So konting glass lang naman. So ang progress ko so far is nakakuha na ako ng diamonds. Then nakapag trial chamber na ako. Got my first base, first try actually, which is this, and that is the only base in the server. Walang ibang base except sa akin. Pakita ko pa later yung picture. Hindi ko na video. So copy nyo na lang chords ko. I don't care. So wait lang natin yung plus. So habang niwe-wait ko pala, kikita tayo. Wait, baka matay ko. Of course, that's the first ever vid ko, I think. Like 8 months ago. Yung sa KSMP. Wait, lagi ko. Let's see. Frick. Bro, lag ko. Dahil sa bagyo. Baka mamatay ako ng marami. So this server, I believe, is gone for 1 week now. And Sinecon series lang nila. This is like a school server. Ako and my classmates na. So friend like this, he goes by Shinzi now, kasi sa KCM. Now ako I'm a Shadow since no longer King's SMP. Kuha tayo ng plus 3 lang naman dito eh. Ito. Wait. I hate freaking sipod. So the other one. I think there's a chest. Ako pa. Ano ito ba? Yan, ayun, farm ko. Pero, ayun, for netherwart. Oh, ito. makita. So, ang gagawin ko is strength. Since mushroom is may help akong gumawa ng invest pots. I won't say bakit ako gagawa ng invest pots for now. But as of now, I have a big project with 2 members of this SMP, but is one problem. Yung isa naming member is nag-change ng version. Don't like this. Hindi ako yung gumawa. So, break natin. Hindi ako gumawa doon, guys. Promise. Should be done. Yes. So, meron tayong strength pots. Pag pumunta ako ng cave, leave ko to dito. Then, after ko mag-caving, siguro, build ko na kagad yung base or cave na muna. Not sure. I guess kaya ko muna base ko. Need ko rin na spare armor. Since wala na akong armor. Oh, doon ko dapat gagawin.
Hoy, Koopa. May nag-chat sa'yo.
Okay. So, I guess dito na lang. Sorry guys, I'm back. Nag-chat si Mame. Mama. Better intro line than this one. Okay. Starting to look good. Right. 13 lang pala nakuha. Hindi siya pantay. Ilang blocks. Okay. Ito pala. Dito. Yep, dito. Hintay naman. Isa pa. There you go. Mawalan ako ng wood. Good thing may dito na malapit. Hindi kapot. Pababa pa rin talaga ako. Alam ko yung clutch. You know, I'm very lucky. I don't know why. Pero since the bagyo, ayoko naman maging super haba ng vid. So, ipulisan na lang. Medyo konti lang stuff kasi minimum of like 3 hours to 4 hours lang ako naglalaro. Pag wala naman gagawin like 6 hours a day. And it's hard kasi ako sariling room. I need to make my own room or something. Something like that. So it's here. Then 1, 3. Another side 1, 2, 3. Other side 1, 2, 3. Then hanggang magkas 1 stack tayo. Ito yung entrance here. So, dito itong dalawa. Cut. Cut. There. I-merge natin siya. That. Perfect. Click natin to. Click natin yan. If anyone, literally anyone, na gusto mag-join, just comment, I guess. And ask ko yung owner of this server kung pwede. You know guys, na hindi ako prepared sa skit ko to. Since nagtataglish ako. Nice. Gusto ko, ano na. Oak. Nice. Punta ba tayo? Taas. In here. Nice. Labs. Bring na. I hate my sipon. I know, pwede naman full blocks gamitin ko. May gagawin tayo dyan. Mas circular siya. Yo, nice. So, wait, let me check. Join. That's the GC. Blocks. And 2 apple. Yes. Okay, sweet. Now yung extra glass, I think, gagawin ko na lang siya. Glass. Ganito. Oh, 3 lang pala yun. Nag-dispel na ata. Yes, nag-dispel na kayo. Nakuha ko 13.
Hoy, Krupa, may nag-chat sa'yo.
Okay, reload. First one. Slab. Oh, sira na yung armor ko. Like, literally, sira. Kung di nyo naririnig, I'm very sorry. Ang hirap ng voice ko. Since kami sipon, very cold or something. 7 na lang din yun. Siguro habang nag-aan yan. Diretso tayo cave. I know a cave nearby. I think it's like over there. Like over there, there's something. I think yung cave there was oak slash jungle forest. Jungle vine. Ay! What's this? Oh. Hindi ako nagkakagawa niya. This is the cave. This is the cave. Wait, is it? Is it? I don't know. Yes, this is it. Yung kay clutch yan. Let's go down. Oh, dito nga. I need to be same. Low on durability ng armor ko. And wala pala kami ng shield. Typical shadow. Always forgets. Oh. Wala akong shears. Good web supply yun. Okay. Alisin mo natin yun. Kasi respawn. Nice. Then ko tayo wood. Then smoke naman. Ay, dala ko pa crafting table ko eh. I forgot. Din na ako siya. Wait, may dirt dito. I forgot. Ayun, dirt. Tada. Oh, sobra. Uy. Ito ng shears that That's a very good supply. Cave spiders. Oh, oh. Like, what the hell? Wait, tatlo na yung smart na rin. Power shield. I hate this. Hindi ako much of a PvPer. If you watch my old vids. But, like, I can see I've gotten a little better. First we do practice. Lagging again. So, may oh no, oh no. What? Bro, the zero the armor, bro. Gusto ko lang naman ang lapis. And redstone. And webs. Red. You don't know what the guys now. Minecraft, I don't think I'll level up. Tapos ano yung Minecraft is literally nasa ilalim. Oh. After ko mag-collect dito, hindi mo na ako-collect dito. If ever need ulit ang supply dito, pabalik. So, ako nakukuha ng meron ako ender chest at shulkers, boxes. Ano, may zombies harap ko, may zombies harap ko. May cave fighters, bro, I hate you. Sira na yung chest plate ko. Deep sleep level. Lapis oh. Sweet. Lapis. Toys. Oh, tumalon siya. Oh, ba't ka tumalon? Nice. I love this mob. Chat. Please. Need to know so many but they're change ko na enchant now. Enchant na pickaxe. Number level 30 ko na kasi enchant table ako. So, explore lang tayo ako. Ayun ang spider sa likod ko. Nice. Sabi ko may diamonds, kunin mo rin natin. Why not? Malaki pa yung cave. Hanggang dito ang mga like this part. Hanggang dun sa kabila. Walang more redstone. So today is August 2nd. I'm correct. Siguro po ito mga August 8 or maybe after ko mag-8 since it's 8:10. Bro. And need ko na mag-off later. Mapagluto ko ng food. Double mine shaft? Double mine shaft? 2 diamonds! Ang ganda naman ng cave na to. Bro! What? Uy! Bro nga ka sa cave na to, double mine shaft. Bro! Ang laki! Wait, makakagawa rin pala ako guys na... No! Ano, mas bilis mo ko yun. And sa Java Press, hindi nagsiswag. Since I know may cooldown or something like that. Oh, huli na pa. Redstone. Full stock na ako eh. Name tag na lang. Trade this. Wait, yung diamonds. 18 to dito. Yes! Double vein. Triple. Tatlo. Gaya na sinasabi ko. Wait. Yo. Wait. Sabi 50 iron stocks of redstone saka 50 lapis. I think goods na yun. Diamonds bro, guys. I think ko tayo na isa pang interpret. Wait. Ayun na dito. Oh, hide. Yes. Wala po. Yes. Saan siya? What? Gulat ako. Ito. So, ako ba? Or kuha mo natin. Uy! Nagkuha na ng obsidian. May lava po yun dito. Oh, sige. Why senior sa akin? Since may locator bar kami. Bakit ang lapit niya? I have a bad feeling there. Oh no, narinig ko yung word. I know he's in this cave. He's gotta be near me, bro. Like, there. I saw his name there. There! I hate him so much for this. Oh, I know. Wait, I gotta tell you. Oh, crap. Make it a fit. Right now. Cave. Mining. Oh, wait. Oh, dami. So many creepers. So many creepers. Wait, so I please, water, please. Bro, hindi alam ko nasa yung hole. Oh, no. Thank you. That creeper boost. Oh, here. Oh, here. Nice. Thanks. Oh. Sweet. Sweet, bro. Thanks. Peace. Excuse me, guys. Just really sick, bro. I hate being sick. Pero hindi naman often ako sick. Pagkataon lang na very... Oh. Okay. So, Abigas. I don't give the flag. Again. And like that. Yes. Wait, okay. Teka na. Got isa pa pickaxe. Oh, sweet. Take it. Yeah. Here. Trade. Takes bro, takes a lot. Oh, that gotta be an E-chest. Yeah, hey. Ah, bro, I hate this so much, bro. Where's the second? I draw it. Wait, those are sticks. Get it. Please self-touch. What is it? Wait, efficiency 4? Kasi save natin yung pickaxe na to. Gawin ko yung base ko. Up here. So 16. So like, para ma-even 2 here. 1 here. 2 on each side. Here. And here. There you go. Yep, it's pretty sweet. He left. Hey, doggy. Okay, I gotta leave some of this in here for now. Oh, shrub lights. And I'm needing torches to make lanterns. Yes. 4 torches, good. Oh, that too. Let's go 33. 18. hates. So after I build this house, I think that would be the end of the video for now. This is not the end. Turn my bed only like there. There you go. Then actually, let's remove this. Then untie the stairs back yet. That's it. So of course, ako nakatira. Gagawa tayo traps. Pag na-place ka naman ang pressure plate sa forest in like an inconvenient spot, hindi nila mapapansin. So it will alert me. There's people near my place kahit invest sila. So, ano kukunin ko? Gawa tayo stairs. Sorry. Baka kalimutin. 8 is enough. Dito ako tayo. Just plate. Boots. Ikaw po the stairs. Ay, the door. Igulit pala ito. Wait, kung doon wala yung simulan. Dito ko na simulan. That's sweet. So, I don't close ko ito. The strobe lights. Okay, that's a little decorative. Spot like here and here. Wait, shadow. So this yun muna for today. Kasi medyo late na. It's 8:30. So it's 49 minutes. Let's wait. So guys, this is not the end. But for today, I guess end muna. So once again, I'm Shadow. And goodbye.